Hello, my cruising and travel fans. It's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel, here with the next food review. And we're going to a brand new location to get pizza. Where it is? It's at Domino's. So stay for the intro, and we'll give you that food review. So here's that intro. And thank you for saying all of the intros. Once again, I'm your host, Rob, from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Like I mentioned in the introductions, today we decided to change it up. Go to a brand new location, get ourselves some pizza, and where did we go? We went to Domino's. So let's dive on in, take a taste try of their pizza. I decided to get a small pepperoni, kick it on up, spice it on up, because I like things spicy around here. So, let's take a look at it, and then taste it. So, this is what their pizza looks like. And doesn't she look delicious? Yes. Very, very delicious. So, let's give it a taste try and see how they did. Not bad. The texture is very nice. It's cheesy, it's soft. They could have kicked it up a little bit more and made it a little more spicy, but that's okay. It's still good. It definitely has a much different taste than all the other pizzas I've had. And it's a lot more doughy, as I would call it. But it's not too doughy. But it's really enjoyable. And this was a walk-in special, medium, for about $10. So by the time you put the taxes on all that stuff, it was about $11.30 for this pizza. I would definitely come here again and get pizzas off them again, because it's fairly reasonable priced, and it's not the worst pizza I've had, but it's definitely not the best I've had. So I would definitely recommend give them a try and see what you guys all think. But let me know in that comment section down below if you guys ever have tried Domino's pizza. And if so, what is your favorite pizza to get from them? And where are you coming in from? Let us know in the chat. That comment section down below. And of course, while you're down that way, let's not forget to like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done yet already, because there's amazing great videos coming out every Wednesday, like my food reviews, my jokes on Tuesday for Cruising and Travel. On Mondays, we like to have a little fun facts. And going in towards the end of the week, I know I went backwards, but now we're going to go frontwards. Now going towards the end of the week, on Thursdays, we're having a brand new poll where it asks you poll questions like cruise line questions, and you name it, it's going to be there. A new one every single week. On Fridays, you got your lip singings to the hottest and brand new songs, even the latest songs that were popular back in the day. And last but not least, Saturdays is our live streams. So make sure you come on by. All the times are posted in my About section of when they all happen. And of course, share this video to everybody you know. But I'm Rob from Cruising on High Seas and Travel. And I'll see you in the next video, live stream, maybe the jokes, or wherever travels may take us. Until next time, bye for now. This is really good pizza. Go Domino's. Check it on out. See ya.